TikTok, subscribe to Embark 1257. We have many job opportunities within Candina Group for European seafarers, EU seafarers. We are making videos of me talking in Croatian, Romanian, Bulgarian, Latvian, Estonian, Lithuanian, German, all these European languages, because we have jobs at 2,850 euros plus Italian social security, for raw taxes. Also we are starting with the catering for Italian flag, and plus we have bunker ships, Greek flag, starting 2,700 euros plus Greek social security, those ships trading within Europe. So if you are an European seafarer and then you're planning to locate close to your family, close to your home, Candina is a family company, ship owners that really we thank very much for giving this huge expansion today, because we believe in a family, ESG, corporate social responsibility, all of this together. So please apply TikTok Crew Inspector, and then we will communicate to you, automate format of the ship owner, any Italian language, so you can verify, learn and confirm to us. Also codice fiscale if you have that. And if you are from Ukraine or from Philippines or from India, please listen, subscribe, and thank you very much indeed for your time. Safe seas, safe health, very good family. Bye.